Hello and welcome to PH Physics. Today's explainer is the electromagnetic spectrum, the full range of electromagnetic waves from radio to gamma. By the end of this, you'll know the order, the uses, and why high frequency means high danger. The electromagnetic spectrum is the full range of electromagnetic waves, from longest wavelength to shortest: radio, microwaves, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, gamma rays. The frequency increases as the wavelength decreases, and they all travel at 3 times 10 to the 8 meter per second in a vacuum, and they're all transverse. Three things. 1. Higher frequency means higher energy. UV, X-rays, and gamma rays are ionizing. They can damage DNA and cause cancer. 2. Visible light is just a tiny slice of the spectrum. 3. Uses: radio for communication, microwaves for cooking, infrared for heat, UV for sterilization, X-rays for medical imaging, gamma rays for cancer treatment. Common slip: listing the spectrum in the wrong order. Use the mnemonic: raging Martians invaded Venus using X-ray guns. Radio waves, microwaves, infrared, visible, ultraviolet, X-rays, gamma rays. Quick example: radio waves at 100 megahertz have a wavelength of 3 meters. Visible light at 500 terahertz, wavelength about 600 nanometer. Gamma rays at 10 to the 20 hertz, wavelength about 10 to the minus 12 meters. Same speed, hugely different frequencies and wavelengths. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology, and chemistry. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.